AI just take over Hollywood's job and Nollywood is next. But wait, this 50k vlogging kit can save your entire career. Alright, my fellow film hustler, welcome to Filmmaking Friday, where we drop truth bomb that's hotter than Lagos pepper soup. Today's headline: AI wants to replace us, but I've got three ways to fight back. First up, see this nonsense. AI thinks it can act better than Pet Edoche. Let's talk about this wahala. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Like and subscribe.
So, right now, Hollywood is panicking. AI can now write scripts, animate actors, and even direct films. But here's the question: will Nollywood survive? See, AI can now make Nollywood epic for just 10k. No crew. We won't even have to bother Big Auntie. No Odogu, no Achalogu. Niger Flavor can't be faked. AI can't replicate see your mouth like a fried gala, that kind of energy. The key: use AI as your assistant, ideal for subtitle, translation, and storyboard. But here's what no one is telling you: I don't think AI can handle a Nigerian factor chaos. Ever seen AI survive a Lagos film set with no lights? Exactly. Here's the twist: AI is also empowering independent filmmakers. Have you seen this short film, Echo Hunters?
Echo Hunter is a fully gen AI film built with the cutting-edge tools of Arana Labs. I'm Kevin the Kid, director of Echo Hunter and co-founder of Phantom X. We teamed up with Arana Labs to fuse next-gen tech with an amazing cast of SAG actors, pushing the future of filmmaking into now.
It's been too long.
Tell me, does a corpse ever consider the purpose of its actions?
The potential is limitless, is the crazy thing.
But with this technology and with AI and with the creatives still being able to use the writers and the directors, everybody still gets to work, but the barrier for entry is lowered substantially. I think that's really cool.
We're very excited about Echo Hunter, and we're very excited about the power of Arana AI and its tools and the creators who use them.
They utilize AI for its production, and let me not tell you, go and watch the film and come tell me what you think in the comment section. Okay, let's talk gear. Tilta camera cage are on sale. Perfect for turning your small boy camera into Oga DP setup. You know what I mean. You can use this cage to mount your smartphone as big cam. Let's be real for a second. Who needs red Komodo when you have your Google Pixel 9 Pro with Agbada lighting? This cage can protect your phone from area boys on set. True story. No triamo, not on Nigerian streets. Then go thief your phone, thief the cage, thief the camera. Nothing will happen. But seriously, if you are looking to upgrade your gear, Tilta is offering insane deals on camera cage. You better not be scrolling, because headline number 5 reveals how to use AI to make money instead of losing your job. But first, smash that like button. We are targeting 10k likes at the end of this month. And subscribe. We are just targeting 5k sub at the end of this month. You've probably heard people talking about faceless YouTube channels, but let's be real, most of the advice out there is either confusing or incomplete. That's why I'm inviting you to a free live class where I will be breaking it all down for you. How to create a profitable faceless YouTube channel step by step. How to use AI to generate unlimited high quality content effortlessly. And why you don't need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours to start making money. In fact, you can start earning from your very first upload. I won't just throw random information at you. I will give you the exact strategy you need to launch successfully. And if you're serious about turning this into a real business, I will show you how to go even deeper with my 7 days faceless YouTube challenge, where we focus on how and get you fully set up. Seats are limited. Don't miss out. Click the link to reserve your spot now. Attention, hustle gang. SmallRigs new wireless kit lets you shoot like Naz Boy for less than a night. Check out these features. Wireless monitoring. You can frame yourself without a beg. Help me check if my head correct. The battery lasts more than NEPA light during AFCON. Holland Slack A1 wireless microphone is here, offering 24 bits audio quality. It's affordable and perfect for content creators on the go. This wireless microphone gives you crystal clear audio, even at Lagos Island traffic noise level. It's budget friendly, cheaper than buying biggie drinks for your entire crew. If your audio sounds like area boy shouting "Oga change, Owomida," buy this now. Google's new View AI can make films from text.
Isn't that amazing?
Before you panic, here's how to jackpot into profit. 1. Sell AI voiceover to Oga at the top. Corporate videos. 2. Use AI for before and after VFX. Nollywood magic on a budget.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
I'm testing AI to make Wizkid versus Burna Boy, the anime. Subscribe to see it. Which headline got you? Comment below. And if you think AI will take your job, wahala for who no subscribe. Next week, we exposed how Pirate killed Nollywood's 1 billion naira movie. Don't miss it.